blizzard warning in effect from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a blizzard warning in effect from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Locations: all of New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Long Island, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Champlain, Vermont, New Ireland, New Hampshire, Maine, and Madawaska. Hazard types: snow and blowing snow. Accumulations: up to around 5 inches of snow is forecast within the next 15 minutes. An additional 15 to 20 inches of snow is forecasted throughout the morning. Total accumulations of 20 to 25 inches are expected. Winds: wind gusts up to 45 to 55 miles per hour with gusts up to 63 miles per hour. Temperatures: -20 to -25 degrees are expected throughout the morning rush hour. Visibilities: 1/16 of a mile or less. Timing: the heaviest snow and the strongest winds will occur within the next hour. Impacts: blowing and drifting snow will produce dangerous travel conditions. Wind chills from 55 degrees below zero to 75 degrees below zero will produce extreme cold impacts. Precautionary preparedness actions: a blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibility are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.